Usha, welcome back to the garden of Treatz. And today, we're gonna plant some green onions. But before we do that, make sure you like and subscribe to this YouTube channel because we love growing food, but without you, it's hard to grow this channel. And we're gonna do it a little different today. So this right here is an I love tree. And so we're gonna now utilize some more of our spaces. So right here, we got the I love tree. And what we're gonna do is, we're gonna end up planting our green onions right up in here. You feel me? Not too deep, just, you can see that right there. Not too deep, a couple inches apart.
I'm gonna show the roots on the green onion.
Here go the roots right here, as you can see. So look, most of these vegetables like this, you can end up growing again. So like celery, you can do this too. And a lot of other things like this, you can do these too. These are also from the stores, so you can just buy them one time and then continue to keep growing them. These shoots may grow. I'm not sure how long they'll continue to produce fruits for, but we'll see. We'll see. And so, see this one right here doesn't have any roots, but we're gonna see how it go. We're gonna put this one close to the middle, so, and we're gonna let y'all know how that one go. Man. These should actually sprout pretty soon. All right, pack them up, down, up in there. How it look, baby?
It look really, really good.
All right, now we're gonna water her up. Give her a little water. Get them roots wet. I love you have some new companions. I believe they get along pretty well. We thought about putting it with our orange tree, but we don't want our oranges tasting like onions. You feel me? So olives, it has a different taste. So. All right. And there you have it.
Here is an update. This is about three to 4 days later. Our puppy did rip some of them out, but we put them back and they're doing fine. As you can see, they're starting to grow out at the top. And so once it gets to a length that we like, we'll cut them off and use them in some of our meals.
Appreciate y'all for coming by the Garden of Treats. And if you do not like and subscribe yet, please do so now and make sure you share this with the youth so they can continue to grow with us. We out.